In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal balance quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're a frequent PayPal user or someone who checks in occasionally, knowing how to access your balance is essential for managing your finances effectively. To get started, open the PayPal website or launch the PayPal app on your device. Once you're there, log into your PayPal account using your username and password. Always make sure you're connected to a secure network, safety first. After logging in, you'll land on the PayPal home screen. This is the central hub of your account, where you can view important information and access all your features. Right on the home screen, you'll see your PayPal balance displayed prominently. It's usually at the top or center of the page, making it easy to find. Here, you'll see the exact amount available in your account. This helps you keep track of what you can spend, send, or save, ensuring you manage your funds wisely. Beyond just checking your balance, the home screen also gives you insights into your recent activity. You can review your transactions by selecting a time frame that works for you, whether it's the last 90 days, this month, last month, this year, or even last year. PayPal makes it easy to monitor your spending habits and stay organized. You can also view the status and type of each transaction. Want to know which payments are completed, pending, or still processing? You can check all of that right from your activity section, giving you full control over your financial details. But if your main goal is simply to check your balance, the home screen is all you need. It's designed to be clean and user-friendly, showing your remaining balance clearly and directly. And that's it. Now you know how to effortlessly check your PayPal balance anytime you need to. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Also, tap the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and take care.